Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karazgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard maths. What we have studied in our last session, students? Yes, we have completed our exercise 2.3 subtraction of 5-digit and 6-digit number. I hope you have solved, you have practiced those sums. Okay, now today we are going to start one new concept, that is estimating sums. Okay, now see, you have already you learned rounding of number in the previous chapter. Yes or no? Yes, we have learned rounding of the number. Now you can also use rounding to quickly estimate sums and differences. Now estimation can also be used to check whether addition or subtraction answer are reasonable, means whether they are like correct or no, we can guess through the estimating sums. Now they are given one example. What is the example here? There are 92 coins in a box A and 47 in box B. How many coins are there in box A? 92, and in box B 47. Now estimate the total number of the coins in both the boxes. Now see the page number 29. Now first what you have to do? See, for estimating the numbers, let us round the numbers to the nearest tens and add. First what we have to do? We have to rounding of those numbers nearest to 10 and we have to add those numbers. Now see, in box A how many are there? 92, and in box B how many coins are there? 47. Now do you remember our rounding of number? Whenever we are rounding nearest to 10, you have to look at the ones place, and what is there on ones place? 2. If it is 4 or less than 4, write 0 on ones place without changing anything on the tens place. Keep as it is same number. So it is 2. It is of course less than 4. So we will write 0 on ones place without changing tens place. Now what about 47? Underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 7. Yes. What is the rule for 7? If it is 4 or more than, if it is 5 or more than 5, write 0 on ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the rounding off to the 47 is 50. Got it, students? Yes. Now see. 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 5 is 40. So how many coins are there together in both the boxes? There are about 140 in both the boxes together. This sum. But what about actual sum? How many coins are there? How many coins are there in actual? In box A, actual 92 coins are there, and box B, actual 27 coins are there. Now let us add actual sums of actual numbers also. Now 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. So actual number of coin is 139. But when you will do the rounding of this number, it comes directly 140 only. How? See, 139. So we are rounding off to the tens. So whenever we are doing the tens, underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 9 is there. Of course it is more than 5. If it is more than 5, write 0 on ones place, add 1 to the tens place. 3 plus 1 is 4 and write hundreds place as it is. So the answer is 140. So the estimate 140 differs from the actual number 139 by only one number. You can see 140 and 139. Got it? Understood? Yes. Now let me explain you second one example. See the second one. What is the question? The number of trees in two farms is 168 and 134. See, these both the numbers. Now estimate the total numbers of trees in the both the farms taken together. So what we have to do? Yes students, see. First we round the numbers to the nearest 100 and add. Now here they will ask you in the question whether we should do rounding off to the nearest tens or nearest hundreds. So in this question we have to do nearest 100. So the numbers are, how many trees are there? 168 and 134. First we have to round up these numbers to nearest 100. So whenever we are doing nearest 100, underline the tens place. So what is there on tens place? 6. If it is 5 or more than 5, what we have to do? Place the zeros on ones place and tens place and add 1 to the hundreds place. When we add, we get 2. So 200, see here, correct. Now what about 134? Same, underline the tens place. What is there on tens place? 3. If it is 4 or less than 4, place the zeros on ones and tens place without changing hundreds place. Yes or no? So 100, correct, 100. Now we will do this addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 1 is 3. So how many trees are there? There are about 300 trees in all. Yes. Now we will see actual number of trees, how much they are given. Actual numbers are 168 and 134. Now let us add those numbers. 168 and 134. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 2 here, 1 will be carry. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 0 and 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So the actual number of trees are 302. So see here, 300 and 302. How much differ is there? Yes, by 2. So the estimate differs from the actual by 2. Got it till here? Yes. Now we will solve exercise 2.4. What is the A question? Estimate each sums to the nearest 10. See, as I told you, these are all sums we have to find out first nearest tens, then compare with the actual sums. Okay? Shall we do? Yes. Yes. Exercise 2.4 A question. In that first one, what is the first one? 73 plus 48. Okay. So first we have to find out the estimate sum, that is nearest 10. So what you will do here, you will write estimate sum. Okay, and beside that you will write actual sum. Okay, now see, the numbers are 73 and 48. Now we have to find out these two numbers nearest tens. So whenever we are doing nearest tens, underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 3. If it is 4 or less than 4, place the 0 at ones place without changing the tens place. Now see this number 48. Ones place underline because nearest tens. So underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 8. Of course it is more than 5. If it is 5 or more than 5, place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. Now we can do this addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, this is estimate sum. Now what is actual sum? They had given the question. Now we will write 73 plus 48. Now we will do this addition. Actual sum. 8 plus 3. Yes, tell me. Yes, students. 11. So write 1 on 1's place and 1 carry to 10's place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Now see. The estimate sum is 120 and the actual sum is 121. So how we can write here? What do you have to write here? The estimate differs from the actual by how many? See, here is 120 and here is 120. So how much difference is there? Only 1. So write here 1 and full stop. Got it? Understood? Yes? Got it, students? Till here clear? Yes? Very easy it is. Now we will solve another sum. Okay? Now I will solve third one for you. What is the third one? 483 plus 366. Now we have to find out rounding off to these numbers nearest to 10. So I'll write here 483. Now we have to underline the ones place. Ones place is having 3. So it is less than 4. Place the 0 at ones place without changing tens and hundreds place. The next number is 366. So underline the ones place. Ones place is having 6. So it is more than 5. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 3 as it is. Now we will do the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 7, 15. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. So the answer is 850. This is estimate sum. Now we will do the actual sum. What is the actual number? 483 plus 366. 3 plus 6, yes, 9. 8 plus 6, yes students, tell me. 14. 4 on tens place, 1 carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now see the estimate sum and actual sum. Estimate is 850 and actual is 849. So the estimate differs from the actual, yes, by one number. 850, 849. Understood? Yes? Clear till here? Shall we move to next sum? Yes, I will solve 2 more sums for you. Now we will solve fourth one. What is the fourth one? 247 plus 256. Okay, so I'll write here first numbers. 247. We have to find out the nearest tens. Underline the ones place when you are doing nearest tens. What is there? 7. If it is 5 or more than 5, of course it is more than 5. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 as it is. So the number is 250. Understood? The next number 256. Now underline the ones place and place the 0 because it is more than 5. So 6 is there. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 6 and 2. Hundreds place as it is. Now we will do the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 6, 11, 1 and 1 carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So the estimate sum is 510. Now we will see the actual sum. What is the actual numbers? 247 plus 256. Now we will do this addition. 7 plus 6, 13. 3 on 1's place, 1 carry on 10's place. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 on 1's plus, 10's place, 1 carry to 100's place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Now just compare both the numbers. 510 and 503. See what is the difference? The estimate differs from the actual number 10 and 3. Yes, count after 3 till 10 comes. Okay, otherwise you can count directly 503 from 510. 503 after 504, 505, 506, 507, 508, 509 and 510. So how much differ? 7 by 7 numbers. Got it? Clear till here? Understood everyone? Yes? Now we will solve one more example, that is fifth one. What is the fifth one question? $188 plus 198. Okay. Now I'll write here 188. First we have to find out the rounding nearest tens. What is there on ones? Underline, whenever you are doing rounding nearest tens, underline the ones place. What is there on ones place? 8. It is more than 5. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 1 has it is. Okay. The next number 198. Underline the ones place. Again same, 8 is there, means more than 5. So place the 0 at ones place and add 1 to the tens place. So when you are adding 1 to the tens place, 9 plus 1 is 10. So here 1 will remain and 1 will carry. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So the answer is 200. Got it? Now we will do this addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 0, 9, 1 plus 2 is 3. So the estimate sum is 390. Now we will do the actual addition, actual numbers addition. 188 and 198. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 will carry. 8 plus 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is, yes, 18. 8 here 1 will carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now just see the numbers, both the numbers, 390 and 386. So which is greater? This is greater. Then see the smaller number. What is smaller number? 386. Count after 386 till 390 come. 386 after 387, 388, 389 and 390. So how many numbers differ? 4 number. The estimate differ from the actual by 4. Okay? Clear till here? Yes students, clear? Now we will solve B question from question number exercise 2.4 only. What is the B question? The question is estimate each sums to nearest 100. Now we have to find out the numbers nearest 100. So just recall your memory about nearest 100 and compare with the actual sums. I'll start from first sum. What is the first sum? 278 plus 387. Okay, this is the question. So I'll write the first number here. First we have to find out rounding off to the nearest 100. So whenever you are doing nearest 100, underline the tens place and see what is there on tens place. If it is 5 or more than 5, of course it is more than 5. So what we will do? We will place 0 at ones and tens and add 1 to the hundreds place. So 2 plus 1 is 3. The next number 387. Now same, underline the tens place. What is there? 8, more than 5. So place the 0 at ones and tens and add 1 to the hundreds place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Are you getting, students? Yes. Now we will do this addition. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 4 is 7. So estimate sum is 7. Now we will do the actual sum. What is the actual sum? 278 plus 387. Now see, 8 plus 7, 15, write 5 and 1 will carry. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 here, 1 will carry to hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. Now just compare the numbers. 700 and here 665. See, 665, very too much difference is there. So how you will do? Now in this case, now we can't, it will take much time to count from 665 to till 700. So in that case, do the rough work. 700 minus 665, because we have to compare both the numbers. So 0 minus 5, we cannot, so cut the 0 right as it is. Go with the neighbor, neighbor also don't have. Go with the next neighbor, neighbor is having 7, he will give 1, 6 will remain. Now here is having 10, he will give 1, 9 will remain. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 6 minus 6 is 35. So how much differ is there? 35. So the estimate differ from the actual by 35. Understood? Got it till here? Understood? Yes, students, clear? Now we will solve next sum. Now I will take third sum for you. Third one. What is the third one? 4476 plus 2297. Okay. Now I'll write first this number here, 4476. Now we have to round off this number to nearest 100. Whenever we are doing nearest 100, underline the tens place and place the 0 at ones and tens place and see the number 7. If it is 5 or more than 5, add 1 to the hundreds place. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 4 as it is. The next number 2297. So underline the tens place, place the 0 at ones and tens and see what is there, 9. So more than 5. So add 1 to the hundreds place. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2. Now we will do the addition. See, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now we will do the actual sum of given number. What is the given number? 4476 plus 2297. Okay. Now 6 plus 7, 13. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 9, 17. So 7 is here, 1 will carry. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now see the both the numbers, 6,800 and the actual sum is 6,773. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract from greater to smaller. Which is greater? 6,800 minus 6,773. Now 0 minus 3 we cannot do. Cut the 0, right as it is. Go with the neighbor. Neighbor also don't have. Go with the next neighbor. Neighbor is having 8. He will give 1. So here 7 will remain. Now here he is having 10. He will give 1. 9 will remain. Now 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 7 minus 7 is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. So what is the answer here? 27. So estimate differs from the actual number is 27. Understood? Yes? Got it till here? Now we will solve one more last sum, that is fifth one. $3,621 plus 3,210. Now write these numbers and round. We have to round off to the hundreds. See, whenever we are rounding to the hundreds, nearest to hundreds, underline the tens place. What is there on tens place? 2. So place the 0 at ones and tens. If it is less than 5, so without if it is less than 4, so without changing any number, write as it is. And the next number is 3,210. Underline the tens place because we are doing nearest to 100. So place the 0 at ones and tens and without changing any number of hundreds place. Now we will add this number. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now we will do the actual sum of this given number. What are the numbers? 3,621, 3,210. Now we will do this addition. 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now see the numbers. 6,800, 6,831. Now we have to find out the differ from the both the numbers. Estimate sum and actual sum. So which is greater? This one is greater. 6,831 minus 6,800. Now we will do 1 minus 0, 1. Whenever we subtract from any number 0, so number will come itself. So 3 minus 0, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. See how much? 31. So the estimate differs from the actual by 31. Understood, students? Clear till here? Yes? So today we have completed our exercise 2.4. So what is your today's home assignment is? These all sums you have to practice in your rub book. Okay? Today itself after online classes. In tomorrow's session we will start our exercise 2.5. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.